Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the COUNTIF formula to find the unique product item, total item on your list, on your Google Sheet, on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. And now I just going to show how to find the unique product count by using COUNTIF formula on your Google Sheet on your mobile. For an example, here I have a product for my shop. So the third item was mobile, fourth item was TV, and fifth item was music player. I just need to find how many mouses are there, or how many TVs are there, or how many music players are there. So for that, first of all, I just going to make a count. So instead of counting one by one, use this formula. So double tap on the cell, then click on the equal symbol first, and just use type as count if. So count, and you can find count if, tap. So now it shows to select the range. The range actually is from here to the here, where you just need to select. For example, just need to select the from to the here. So and click on the comma option. So next thing was the criteria. So this was the criteria. I just need to find the unique count of this all product and click OK. Now you can see it has been created here. Now just drag this to the bottom section and double or just long press it. You can have this option called autofill. Click on this, which automatically fills the same formula for all the tabs. Now I can identify them. There was a 4 mobile and 4 TV and 3 music player and 2 mouses. So this is how we just use this COUNTIF formula and find the unique product values on the list. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.